Welcome back, Chemical Kiss family. It's Paulina and it's officially summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some touch-ups in my vehicle with our essential Hydro line. Hydro line is honestly always such a must in the summer because anything hydro, just know it's always ceramic infused. You don't know what ceramic is? It helps with water repellency and it does have UV blockers in them. So especially now that it's summertime, whether you have your sunroof, maybe you have a fishbowl too, all of that sun is just gonna beat down on your car and you wanna make sure that it's protected and you'll help lessen the wear and tear on your vehicle. Listen, I've got something right here underneath my towel. Stay tuned to the end of the video to know the real reveal. All right guys, we are now in the interior. I do have my HydroInterior and my workhorse towel. I already took off the tag, very essential. Make sure you always do that. Now, as you can see, the surfaces are already pretty much clean. So the great thing about this product is not only is it a cleaner, but again, like I had said, it is a protectant. So if you want to touch it up with another product, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and add this after as your protectant. All right guys, so as you do see, right here is where there's a lot of built up grime over time. You can even tell by the texture too. This does look a lot smoother and right here does look more bumpier. Obviously you guys can't tell, but by the feel too, it just feels weird. It feels like sandpaper. That does not mean that there is any age or wear and tear on it. That just means it's obviously heavily used. Your steering wheel, honestly, I always think is the most touched part of your vehicle on the inside because obviously how else do you drive the car? And so I'm going to show you how we're going to easily remove this with our HydroInterior. I'll be spraying the product directly onto my towel. Did about 4. And now I grab. Oh, already just on that one wipe. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh. You can be a little harsh, especially since these microfibers are soft. But again, especially in the summertime, these are always usually caused by anything on your hands. So if you have lotion, sunscreen, any type of I don't know, oils, essential oils, that's all going to be transferred onto your steering wheel. All right guys, just keep agitating the steering wheel and next, the dashboard. HydroInterior is designed and developed for a multitude of interior hard surfaces, including plastics, painted plastics, vinyl imitation leather, plastic vinyl, door panels, and more. I did switch out my towel because you definitely don't want to be using the same one over and over again, especially since, as you saw, it was very dirty. I grabbed my brand new one. Again, simply apply the product onto the towel, and now just clean it. Again, like I said, it was already previously cleaned. You don't need to apply too much agitation pressure on it as it was already clean. This is just a quick wipe down. Moving on from HydroInterior, we'll now be talking about our HydroThread. This card does have all 4 fabric mats, so I'll be showing you all the protective properties this product does have. Let's meet at the table. Alright guys, I just took my mat out, and obviously, maybe if you have some dusting or dog hair like I did, I quickly just cleaned it up because of course, before you add any protection, you want to make sure that the surface is clean. Alright guys, my mat is clean. I'm going to go ahead and set that down to the side. The reason why I add tape is because I'm going to show you the effective properties that HydroThread does give you. So I'm going to go ahead and lay a strip down. I'm going to have this side, I'll spray some water, maybe I'll drench it too. So you're going to see how it literally just soaks and absorbs into the fabric. And then this side will be the one untouched. I will be applying HydroThread here. We'll wait the 24 hours. Next day you'll see that this side is still going to be absorbing all the water and this side will have all of the water bead right on top. All right guys, I already laid down my piece of tape and right here is my cup of water that I'm gonna pour all over this section just so you can see. No. You can see it in the beginning, it does lay on top and right after it stays there, it leaves its imprint and just starts soaking it. All right, this side being uncoated, you can see just how fast the water or any liquid that usually would spill onto the fabric just absorbs right into it. As soon as I apply HydroThread, this helps you have time to clean it off. If you have liquids or anything spilling on, it'll just kind of bubble up and lay right on top so you have time to wipe it off rather than it just absorbing immediately in. All right guys, now all you have to do is just simply do a couple sprays. Just like that, not too much. Not a crazy overload. And if you really did want to make sure that it really does seep into the fabric, go ahead and use a brush. All right, I just finished applying our HydroThread. Now I'll let it sit for 24 hours, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, it's a brand new day. So now we're gonna go ahead and check up on our mat. Just for you guys to remember, this was our uncoated side, and this was our coated side with our HydroThread. So I have towels here because I will be obviously pouring the water. I'm gonna tilt this up just a little bit so you guys can see it at an angle. This is the water going down, and you see how immediately as it goes down, it already just soaks in, and the fabric immediately absorbs the water. All right, and now I'm gonna do the exact same thing and pour my water on our coated side. As you guys saw there, right here, the water immediately absorbed into my fabric mat. Whereas right here, the water did either glide right off or it had a little beading to give you time to wipe it right off. All right, guys, now it's time for the reveal. Let's go to the car. All right, guys, the car has already been vacuumed, cleaned, and protected, as you did see in the earlier clips with our HydroInterior. So now after that, just the same way as when you shower, you wanna put your lotions on, your scent. So what better way to do that with a brand new air freshener? This scent gives you the vibe of a coastal breeze with a hint of a tropical sweetness. All you want to do is turn on the car and turn your AC on. Our AC was already on. I'm like, oh, I feel that fresh breeze. All right, guys, grab your air freshener, spray it directly on your footwell. I'll go ahead and do 1, 2, 3 sprays. You want to make sure you're spraying this directly towards the floor because your air conditioner does help circulate it all throughout your car. And if you guys really do like the scent, but maybe you don't have the space for the size, don't worry, we have a 4 ounce. Smells so good. Anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.